I think I made a new friend while exploring. I was here at Century Manor getting some drone footage because I have to redo my video about it thanks to false copyrights. And I've been here the last couple days doing that. Yesterday, there was a hawk that let me get the drone right next to it. I couldn't believe how close. Now today, for the second day in a row, he's back and he's right up here. Have a look at how close the drone is. He's perched on the top of this post with the drone maybe 5 or 6 feet away from him, and he does not care at all. This is so rare. There's so many videos out there of hawks taking out drones, attacking them. This guy or girl is just like, oh, whatever. How incredible. Wildlife is amazing. Puts a big smile on my face. But I have to get back to work on this Century Manor video. Let me know what you think about this hawk, and do stay tuned for the updated, the dark history of Century Manor. Really sucks on one hand that I have to redo it. That was one of my the videos that I was most proud of. But now I can just improve it and do it a little bit better. Be a lot better. Can't wait to get it out. Let me know what you think of this amazing hawk, and I'll see you all on the next adventure.